welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an important update on Instagram: how to disable broadcast channel notifications on your PC. If you find these notifications a bit overwhelming, don't worry. We've got you covered with a simple step-by-step guide. First, let's get started by opening your Instagram account on your PC. Make sure you're logged in so you can access all the settings. Next, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll notice a small More icon, which looks like 3 stacked horizontal lines. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you've clicked on the More icon, a menu will pop up. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings page. Once you're in the settings, look for the Notifications section. Click on it to see a list of all your notification preferences. Here's where you'll find all the options to customize your Instagram notifications. Click on Push Notifications. This is where you can control what alerts you receive from Instagram. Now, let's disable the broadcast channel notifications. You'll see options for broadcast channel invites, broadcast channel messages, broadcast channel replies, and broadcast channel reply likes. To turn these off, simply click on each option and select the Disable or Off setting. And that's it. You've successfully disabled broadcast channel notifications on your Instagram account using your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.